What's up, everybody? This is Chad from North Mini Bikes and the Mini Bike Builders Guild. I want to make a more updated video on how to register your bike in Michigan. Okay. First off, you need a 99cc sticker. Okay. In Michigan, you can have a moped that's 100 cc's or lower. 2, you need a number to trace the bike. It doesn't have to be the engine. It can be anything that has a serial number on it and that you have paperwork for. So the new Tillotsons, I think, and the Wildcats all have serial numbers on the engine. That is all you'll need. Okay. If you have a Predator like this, or a Tillotson, older Tillotson, that doesn't have the number on it, you can put your own on here. So what I did was I got a little piece of brass from Ace Hardware and a little punch kit from Harbor Freight. It was like $14. And I wrote up my own number, and I wrote up a bill of sale from my wife to me for $100, and took a picture of that plaque on the frame, riveted on there, and then wrote that same serial number on the bill of sale. That's all you need. You don't need 2 bills of sale. You don't need all this crazy crap. They just want one number to track the bike. Like if it gets stolen or something like that, they need to be able to go up and say, yep, that's this one. Arrest that guy, you know what I mean? Or whatever they got to do. So the bike requirements, they might vary from state to state. So go ahead and use that thing called Google and find out on your own for your own state. But again, this is registering as a moped, not as a motorcycle. If you go over 100 cc's, you have to register it as a motorcycle, meaning you need plates and insurance and a cop to inspect your bike. And it's a huge pain in the ass. So just get yourself one of those, okay? And you'll be fine. Then you need a brake light, because that's part of the requirements here in Michigan. You got to have a brake light, which is super easy to wire up. I got a video on it with horrible audio, so apologies for that. Also, if you're running a Predator or whatever kind of engine, there's no shifting allowed on a moped. So you either need straight chain or a CVT torque converter type thing like this. You need a headlight. This is a rechargeable one from Amazon. It's like 8,000 milliamp hours, runs forever. You need a mirror. There you go. I got that from Walmart. It was like $10 for 2 of them. This is an Amazon rechargeable horn. You need a horn. And you need front and rear brakes. And that's it. You are legal. You go ride on the road, cop can't take your bike because you're registered. Okay? But the thing is, if they clock you going over 30 miles an hour, you might be in trouble.